Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, people. It's the beginning of December 2019 and we're about to take a trip to Sweden's second largest city, Gothenburg, to check out the e-car EXPO. So here we are at the e-car EXPO in Gothenburg 2019, and as you can see, all the usual suspects are here. We have Jaguar, we have Mitsubishi, Tesla and Audi, and I'm going to be talking to some of those people to see what the updates are of the 2020 cars, and also I'm going to be searching out some more unusual cars here at the EXPO today. So I'm here with Matthias, Range Rover, and we've got the hybrid. What is this Range Rover?
It's an amazing car, as you all know. It's a Range Rover Sport electric vehicle, PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So it runs up, it runs on solely electric power up to 5 miles, 5 Swedish miles here, 50 kilometers. It's the petrol engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine on 300 horsepower, and the electric vehicle, the electric engine is 100 horsepower. So total, it's 400 horsepower engine.
So it's a Range Rover. So does it come with all the goodies that a Range Rover normally comes with?
Of course it does. You know, the air suspension, the cold climate pack, the panoramic roof, the steer assist, the lane keep assist. Of course, we have the weighting depth up to 85 centimeters. That's class leading. So that's a great car.
So weight-wise, I mean, are we losing anything with weight?
It's a pretty heavy vehicle because of the battery pack, so it weighs roughly around 2 tons.
So if we're looking at specifications on this car, what can we expect?
This car is an HSE Dynamics. It's the highest, almost the highest, the next highest certification. So it has the body colored, it's trimmed down, it's got the 21-inch rims, the painted black. And also you have the black contrast roof, which makes it a very mean-looking car, a very muscular car, yeah?
Okay, so if we're talking 0 to 100, what are we talking about with it?
I would say 0 to 100, I have to look it up, but with the electric vehicle and the petrol engine, I would say roughly somewhere between 6 to 7 seconds, perhaps.
And what do we get combined, like fuel combined?
Fuel consumption with the combined, I would say it's around 0.35, 0.4 combined.
How does that compare with the diesel engines?
And the diesel engine, the V6, is roughly around 0.80, so it's a good fuel consumption, very good fuel consumption.
Okay, is this car available now then, yeah?
Yeah, it's available now.
Right, what kind of price are we talking about this? We're talking
in Swedish, with roughly 1 million Swedish kroner.
Right, what does the diesel go for, the 6-cylinder diesel?
The V6 goes for nearly 850, between 850 and 900, to depend.
So it's a car built to last, yeah?
Yeah, above and beyond, as we say, above and beyond.
Thank you very much, Tess.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers. we're here with the Renault Zoe, and this is Diana. It's a 2020 model.
Yes.
What's so great about the 2020 model?
To be honest, I love the inside. It's really digital right now, so we have this big screen, so we can do all these different applications on it, and also the LED lights on the inside and outside are really nice. And also the front is more sporty, so that has been like, they didn't like the design before, so we have done it so much better this time.
Okay, so as far as the batteries range goes, do we get any more range?
Yes, of course. So before we have had a range of 22 kilowatts and 42, and now we have 52, so even better. And we are over I think we have a mileage of right above 40 miles.
Okay,
yeah.
Great. And this car, is it a hybrid or is it fully electric?
No, fully electric.
Fully electric?
Yeah.
So Zoe's still heading in the right direction then, huh?
Exactly.
Right.
Still the first one.
And this car is available to... when is it available?
It's available to pre-order right now, so it will be on for delivery in January actually.
Okay, I'm here with Mercedes-Benz and Harris, and we're looking at this. Harris, what is all this about?
So this is the Mercedes-Benz Vision Urbanetic concept vehicle. It's basically a study of electrical mobility in the future for Mercedes-Benz. It's the unique part of it is basically that it's designed to be kind of a shapeshifter. So you can use it for people carrying. You can use it for transportation of goods. So the upper part basically comes off, goes into a factory, take off the top part, and you basically switch it to whatever need you have. So, you know, for just carrying passengers or carrying goods, it transforms basically from a personal vehicle to a bus, or yeah. Or something for the long haul or whatever, basically. So yeah, that's the concept of it.
Obviously, this is a concept vehicle. Yeah. What's the chances of Mercedes ever building something like this?
Well, I mean, you should never say never, of course, but like this is more like a visually of a study of how it will look like. But I mean, this one, slim to none, to be honest. But I mean, this is what we're going towards. And this is the first step of where we think how it will look basically, and how it will provide mobility in the future.
Excellent. Harris, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks. as we take a look at one of the big stars of the Expo. This is the BMW i Vision Dynamics. So BMW arrived with all the i cars in force. This one obviously the most impressive one. Some of the specs of this car, it's said to be doing over 120 miles an hour. It's going to have a range of around 373 miles, which is 600 kilometers. This Grand Coupe is of course fully electric and part of BMW's future vision into these i-Series cars. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video for us, and be sure to stay tuned for next week's episode, because there was so much good stuff at the Expo that I divided the videos up into two. So there'll be a part 2 coming out next week. So until then, see you all again very soon.
Yeah.